Yeah. I'm a little concerned about all these judges that I'm going to be on the list of. Yeah. Of individuals you're precluded from hearing a case from because I'm going to sue you. Pope. Now, I'm going to want the list. And then I'm going to want the list, of all of those law clerks that are attorneys, aren't they? Ooch. It says you, your, you. Hmm. Personal knowledge of disputed evidentiary facts. Oh, that you have an actual conflict. Oh, you're an attorney. You're an attorney oath, or are you an attorney oath of admission as a law clerk in every Supreme Court of every state of the United States? Your future law firm serves as counsel. Now, is that the asterisk counsel? Because I will find out you're a material witness to misconduct, to harassment. It might not be sexual harassment, but it is harassment for any judge to deprive Americans of their guaranteed rights. And then to sit there for 3 years after 2,350,000 emails? Yes. And act like I have no rights as an American citizen. Your material witness that you did know. Well, these law clerks seem to be offered really good jobs, but I would think that they'd have to be attorneys. Yes. And they have this big manual about what it means. Yes. And every time that I mention that I'm being harassed because I have to go to the food bank, poop, I'm being denied the use of the court system of the United States. That you as a judicial employee should not use such information for personal gain. Yeah. There's a conflict of interest. Ooh, ooh. Well, obviously, when I email that many in, see, counsel of record. Yeah. I'm going to want to know the counsel of record of every lawsuit involving the guarantees of the United States Constitution. And for all of them that said, well, I don't have to do anything, my oath of admission is not binding, poop. We can leave American citizens defenseless and oppressed. We can use the impropriety right now. See, I provided a copy of that binding oath, the attorney oath. The oath necessary to be sworn and subscribed at the time that you joined any bar association anywhere in the United States of America. It seems that the binding effect of attorney oaths has not really affected the attorneys of this nation. I sent you copies of it. I told you had to support the Constitution of the state of Washington. Yes. The laws of the state of Washington and the Constitution of the United States. And then when I document fraud, forgery, and kidnapping, poof, I document the child abuse of having my sons in the wrong grades for 7.5 years. You decide it right now. These councils of record are the individuals that are personally liable for any and all matters that have gone to court involving the guarantees of the Constitution of the United States. The other attorneys would say, well, I don't know. I'm not the asterisk. Pooch. I might be liable for my attorney oath, but it's the council of record that made the decision. The liability of the responsibility for having the asterisk. Why don't you get me the asterisk of all the councils of record for the last 20 years?